Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video which is about how to do the voice thing on TikTok. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. First, open your TikTok account. Now select the plus icon from the bottom bar. Well, to do the voice thing, first you need to select a video. So I'm making here a random video. Now, from the right corner of your screen, select the text option and now add the text you want. Tap on done and then select text to speech.
Voice thing.
Now here you can see the voice to your text has been added.
How to do the voice thing.
If you want to cancel it, tap on the text and tap on cancel. And it's done. So guys, that's how you do the voice thing on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.